In our advanced fiber optic cable production factory, we maintain a clean and controlled environment. This is crucial as even the tiniest dust particles or impurities could potentially affect the performance of the final product. The production process of fiber optic cables is meticulous. First, the optical fiber prefabrication is carried out in a dust-free area. High-quality optical fibers are carefully made into fiber cores, ensuring no contaminants enter. Then comes cable core extrusion, where the fiber core and filler are combined under precisely controlled pressure and temperature. Next, the cable core is profiled into suitable lengths. Sheath extrusion follows, where a plastic sheath is applied to protect the core from the external environment. After that, the cable is coated with materials like polyethylene for further protection. Finally, rigorous testing is conducted, including insertion loss, return loss, and tensile strength tests. We offer a diverse range of products. The OPGW optical fiber composite overhead ground wire combines optical fibers with metal conductors, serving as both an overhead ground wire and a communication cable, ideal for high-voltage transmission lines. A DSS all-a dielectric selfie-supporting cable, made of all-a dielectric materials with built-in strengthening components, is suitable for medium and low-voltage lines and areas with lower mechanical strength requirements. Although details about ASU products aren't provided, we ensure all our products meet high-quality standards, providing reliable connectivity for various applications. Trust our fiber optic cables for a seamless communication experience.